ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 285। What has jnana nivartyatvam? About this there was a question. So whether it is antyajnanam or jnana santati. In antyajnanam, antyatva will be there and atma vishayatvam will be there. So antyatvat अज्ञान ध्वंसिता और आत्म विषयत्वात् अज्ञान ध्वंसिता. So in both of them, see vikalpya ubhayatra. This is in Tika, 5th line. Drishtanta bhavam matva. Drishtanta bhav is there. You have to show somewhere where the antyat, because it has antyatva, therefore it is ajnana dhvansi, or just because it has atma vishayatva, therefore it is ajnana dhvansi. So drishtanta bhava. Drishtanta means not in atma, somewhere else you have to show. Drishtanta bhavam matva dvitiya doshantaram aha. Dvitiya vikalpa is atma vishayatvat. That is the dvitiya. We had to see 13 number tippani. दृष्टांता भावम इति न च अंत्य ज्ञानत्व हेतुक अनुमाने रजत भ्रमवतो निधन कालीनं शुक्ति ज्ञानम उदाहरणम तस्य संसार हेतु अज्ञान निवर्तकत्वात् अज्ञान अनिवर्तकत्वात् अंत्य ज्ञानत्व हेतुक अनुमाने. सो इफ यू डू अन अनुमानम in which hetu is antyajnanatvam, antyajnanatvat. So then rajata brahmavatah nidhana kalinam shukti jnanam udaharanam. That person, when he is about to die, at that time shukti jnanam which is there for a person who has rajata bhranti, rajata brahmavatah nidhana kalinam, marana kalinam shukti jnanam udaharanam syat. Somebody says. But that udaharanam न स्यात्. Why? तस्य संसार हेतु अज्ञान अनिवर्तकत्वात्. संसार हेतु is अज्ञानम. That ज्ञानम cannot remove संसार. न च एवं ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अनिवृत्तौ, ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अज्ञान निवृत्तौ दृष्टांता सिद्धि ही. ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अज्ञान निवृत्तौ दृष्टांत असिद्धि ही आगमात् तत्सिद्धौ क्वचिद उपन्यासस्य तु लोक दृष्टया अनुसारित्वात् इति न च द्रष्टव्यम, न च विल गो देयर. ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अज्ञान निवृत्ति, ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अज्ञान निवृत्तौ दृष्टांत असिद्धि ही. दृष्टांत विल बिकम असिद्ध. In see, Brahma Jnanam will remove Ajnanam. So in that Drashtanta Asiddhi na. Why? It is there, it is possible. Any jnana, the jnana nivritti will happen. You have Drashtanta. Agamat tad siddhau क्वचित तद उपन्यासस्य तु लोक दृष्टि अनुसारित्वात् इति द्रष्टव्यम. हाँ, न च एवं विल गो विथ दृष्टांता सिद्धि. आगमात् तत् सिद्धौ, थ्रू आगम दिस सिद्धि इज देयर. व्हाट? ब्रह्म ज्ञानाद अज्ञान निवृत्ति. क्वचित तद उपन्यासस्य तु लोक दृष्टि अनुसारित्वात्. समवेयर इफ इट इज शोन that drashtanta will work as per loka drishti, or according to loka drishti somewhere kvachit tad upanyasasya, because drashtanta abhava is given. Drashtanta abhava, so drashtanta in agama it is there. So elsewhere somewhere, seeing the loka drishti that this does not happen, that kind of drashtanta abhava you have to show. Because you see, atma vishayatva is there and ajnana dhvansitva is not there. This is what you have to show as drashtanta. Drashtanta means it should not be what the paksha is, different from paksha. So paksha is about atma jnanam removing atma ajnanam. So other than that, where you will find some such drashtanta, so that is shown here, that loka drashti anusaritvat. If somewhere such upanyasa is done, it is only loka drashti anusaritvat iti drashtavya. Means somewhere in loka drashti, drashtanta abhava is possible where atma is vishayatva. How? If somebody says, I have ichha for Atma Jnanam, let us say. Ichha for Atma Jnanam. So, what is the Vishaya of that Ichha? Atma Jnanam. In that Atma is also there. Atmatva is there in that Jnanam. But Dhvansitva is not there. It does not destroy anything. That is all they are trying to say there. द्वितीय दोषांतरमाह न प्रथमेन in भाष्य. Na. After na, you put comma. Second line in Bhashya. Na. Prathamena anaikantikatvat. Prathamena anaikantikatvat. इसको बंद करो. Anaikantikatvat means there is vyabhichara. If there is prathama vritti, prathama jnanam. If prathama jnanam cannot remove ajnanam, then there is anaikantikatvam. If prathama jnanam cannot remove ajnanam, and you say antya jnanam will remove ajnanam, so there is vyabhichara, because if it has that jnanatvam, it should have removed. So antya pratyaya will do avidya nivritti, but natu purva is not true. Tika tadeva anumanena sphorayati. यदि ही प्रथम आत्म विषय प्रत्ययो अविद्यां न निवर्तयति तथा अन्त्यो अपि तुल्य विषयत्वात्. If prathama atma vishaya pratyaya does not remove avidya, prathama atma vishaya pratyayo यदि अविद्यां न निवर्तयति तथा अन्त्यो अपि आत्म विषय प्रत्ययो अविद्याम न निवर्तयिष्यति. That also will not remove. Why? विषयत्व is तुल्य, तुल्य विषयत्वात्. Further in टीका, कल्पांतरं शंकयति एवं तरहि संततो अविद्या निवर्तको न विच्छिन्न इति. What is kalpantaram? Santati. That I have to do aham brahmasmi, this pratyaya santati. That was the second vikalpa. Tat santaterva. It was created. Fifth line in tika, first word. Tat santaterva. That is his dvitiya vikalpa. Everybody understood?
Yes, Swami.
एवं तरहि संततो अविद्या निवर्तको न विच्छिन्न इति. एवं तरहि then santataha, this vidya santati is avidya nivartaka. Avidya nivartika. Santati avidya nivartika. Santataha pratyayah avidya nivartaka. Na vicchinna. Vicchinna pratyaya means I just did some aham brahmasmi vichar. Then so many other things, some phone call came, something happened, something. Then after 2 hours I fought with somebody. Okay. Aham brahmasmi. Then again something else started. This such pratyaya doesn't remove. Purvapakshi is saying. Avicchinna ज्ञान संतति ही अज्ञानम निवर्तयति इति एतद् दूषयति. अविच्छिन्ना ज्ञान संतति ही अज्ञानम निवर्तयति. Purvapaksh's point is this, that which jnana santati will remove ajnanam? Avichinna. Like they say, taila dharavat. Continuously you have to do aham brahmasmi. Like if the water keeps falling on a rock also, rock will also break. This is Purvapaksha saying. You need santati, jnana santati. एतद् दूषयति. भाष्यकार से न जीवनादौ सति संतति अनुपपत्ते है. As long as there is jivanam, santati will not happen. Those who try to combine, this yoga darshan and Vedanta, here there is total khandanam of that. Bhashyakar says, because they want that you just remain in that samadhi avastha. Jnanam will remove ajnanam. Jnana santati will remove ajnanam. There is no such thing. Jivanadau sati, as long as life is there, santati anupapatte hai. See, tika. जीवनादि हेतु कह प्रत्ययो बुभुक्षितो हम भोक्ष्ये हम इत्यादि लक्षण. जीवनादि हेतु का प्रत्यय, नाउ आई एम हंग्री, आई वांट टू ईट, दैट प्रत्यय केम. नाउ योर अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. So like in some places somebody, those who don't do Vedanta Shravana, aham brahmasmi. So you ask that person, what is your name? Ramachandran, aham brahmasmi. This way you don't get jnanam. तस्य बुभुक्षादि उपप्लुतस्य ब्रह्मास्मीति अविच्छिन्न प्रत्यय संततेश्च विरुद्धतया यौगपद्य अयोगे हेतुमाह. बुभुक्षादि उपप्लुत, ही इज ओवरपावर्ड. 10:30 बजे घंटी, 10:30 if the annakshatra bell is there, 10:15 onwards he is already ready. He has already closed all his books. Brahmacharis, so they are always alert. They don't want to miss. बुभुक्षादि उपप्लुतस्य ब्रह्मास्मि इति अविच्छिन्न प्रत्यय संततेश्च. On one hand, bubukshadi upapluta, his mind is, and second, brahmasmi avichina pratyaya, there is virodha. Viruddhataya, yogapadya ayoge, yogapadya is not there. Simultaneously, they will not be there. Hetumaha, virodhat. In Bhashya, नहीं जीवनादि हेतु के प्रत्यय सति विद्या प्रत्यय संतति उपपद्यते विरोधात. Because so many other pratyas will be going on. You have to do this, you have to do that, and then in that Brahma Vidya Pratyaya Santati will not happen. Further, Pratyaya Santatim Upapadayan Ashankate. Pratyaya Santati, let's say if it happens, then Atha Jivanadi Pratyaya Tiraskarane eva Amarnantad Vidya Santati iti chet. Somebody says. Jivanadi Pratyaya Tiraskarane means you leave everything and you put Padmasan like this and you sit down. And then all pratyaya tiraskarane nirvikalpaka samadhi abhyas. Amarnantad vidya santati. Until I die, I am going to maintain one thought. Aham brahmasmi. Iti ched, Purvapakshi is asking. Siddhanti says, Uktaritya pratyaya santatim upetya dushayati. See, these same points, if without this bhashya, if we tell someone, they will say, I don't want such guru, I will go somewhere else. But when you read bhashya and tika in this way, then that person says, maybe they are right and I am wrong. Because otherwise they never think they are wrong. They always think, I have the right answer. What? I have to do this. Maharaj ji gives example. Dut ke sadhan karenge. And what is their sadhan other than Shravanam? I will go in some Giri Guha. If there is no door, I will put some rock around and I will sit. Na. Pratyaye, tika. Tameva dosham vishadayati. Same dosha he elaborates now. Vishadayati. Pratyaya iyatta santana anavadharanat. Shastra anavadharana doshat. Pratyaya iyatta santana anavadharanat. Iyatta means this much measure. So if somebody says, I will do continuous aham brahmasmi santati. So you ask him, this is for 2 minutes or 2 hours or 2 days or 20 years or 40 years, 60 years, how many? And some people, they give some number also. They'll say, how much time does it take moon to go around earth? That many minutes. Some number they give. I heard this. There is no such thing. You will never be able to say, because somebody said 28.5 minutes, if you can be in samadhi, your ajnana will go. 28.5 minutes. What is the pramana? That person is pramana. I heard this from some Mahatma, some Swami. So I didn't want to argue and I just walked out. There is no such thing. I see here it is given. Pratyayata santana anavadharana. You cannot do avadharanam, that only this much. That if you do 2 hours, it will be over. Or 30 seconds, ajnanam will be removed by jnana. that pratyaya is not needed. शास्त्रार्थ अनवधारण दोषात. शास्त्रार्थ अनवधारण टीका सी. शास्त्रार्थो ज्ञान संतति ही अज्ञानम निवर्तयति इति एवं आत्मकः. शास्त्रार्थो ज्ञान संतति ही अज्ञानम निवर्तयति इति एवं आत्मकः. एवं आत्मकः कः? शास्त्रार्थः. दे आर द ओनली टू इन प्रथमा. एवं आत्मकः शास्त्रार्थः. एवं आत्मा यस्य सः शास्त्रार्थः एवं आत्मकः. एवं आत्मा मीन्स एवं स्वरूपम. व्हाट इज द स्वरूपम? दैट ज्ञान संतति ही अज्ञानम निवर्तयति. देयर इज नो सच शास्त्र प्रमाण. शास्त्रार्थ अनवधारण, this is the dosha. Nowhere in Shastra it is said Jnana Santati will remove Ajnanam. Everywhere it is said Jnanam will remove Ajnanam. Further in Bhashya, Iyatam Pratyanam Santatihi Avidyayaha Nivartika iti Anavadharanat Shastrartho na avadhriyeta tacha anishtam. Iyatam Pratyanam Santatihi. So many pratyas you need. Santati, if it is there, then that will remove avidya. Such idea is not there. Means we should become very clear how ajnanam will go. How my ajnanam. Don't worry about how that person will become free from ajnanam. I am thinking. How your ajnanam will go. Just worry about that. How my ajnanam will go. I need clear Atma Jnanam. Clear means Samshaya, Viparya, Rahita Jnanam. This is what I need. I should not have any Samshaya. What is Atma, what is Anatma, etc. Viparita Bhavana, if it is there, then to remove Viparita Bhavana, I need Ekagrata. In Panchadashi Tripti Deepa there is a shloka. Viparita Bhavaneya Aikagriyat sa nivartyate. Nivartyate or nivartate. Seven 104, I think. Tattva prabodhat prageva upasanat. Through upasana, you can get that ekagrata. Tattva prabodhat prageva labhyate upasanat or something. So, what is meant is, to remove viparita bhavana, you need ekagrata. Person whose thought process is so clear, you will know this person has ekagrata. One vakya here, one vakya there, this person goes all over. There is no possibility of ekagrata. Forget ekagrata. There is no possibility. So, avidya nivartika iti anavadharana. Shastrartho na avadhriyeta, na nischiyeta. Avadhriyeta means nischiyeta. You cannot do shastrartha nischaya. That ajnana santati will remove. Tacha anishtam. And also it is anishtam. It is not appropriate. Anishtam means, here Tippani says, na kasya api abhimatam ityartha. फर्दर आत्मेत्योपासित इति श्रुतेर आत्मज्ञान संतति मात्र सद्भावे. You found that Panchadasi shloka.
7103.
No, just tell me that word which I didn't say. Other thing you don't chant. This much I also chant. Okay. भवत्येतद उपासना. आत्मेत्योपासित इति श्रुतेर आत्मज्ञान संतति मात्र सद्भावे ततो विद्या द्वारा अविद्या ध्वस्ति रीति शास्त्रार्थ निश्चय सिद्धिरित्याह. आत्मा इति योपासित, वी ऑलरेडी सॉ दिस विद्या सूत्र. आत्मज्ञान संतति मात्र सद्भावे ततो विद्या द्वारा अविद्या ध्वस्ति इति शास्त्रार्थ निश्चय सिद्धि. So vidya will remove avidya. And then atmetyeva upasita it was given. So somebody says shastrartha nishchaya siddhi. In this way, ityaha. संतति मात्रत्वे अवधारित एव इति चेत न आद्यन्तयोः अविशेषात्. If santati matra, if you say that continuous thought is needed, there is no difference between adya pratyaya and anta pratyaya. Adyantayoho avisheshat. So why if antya pratyaya can remove, adya pratyaya cannot remove? This is the doubt. टीका. आत्मधि संतते हे सत्वे अपि न सा आत्म विषयत्वात् विद्या द्वारा अविद्याम निवर्तयति. Atma-dhi santati. Okay, just because it is santati about Atma. So, because it has Atma Vishaya, therefore, that jnanam will remove ajnanam is not true. If I am thinking about myself, so what is the Vishaya of that pratyaya? Atma. But just because of that, it will not remove ajnanam. Adya द्वित्री क्षणस्थात्म धी संततौ. आद्य द्वित्री क्षणस्थ आत्मधि संततौ व्यभिचारात् इति परिहरति. If the first 2 or 3 kshana, that atma jnanam which remains, atmadhi, in that there is vyabhichara. See 7 and 8 number tippani says, dvitri kshana sthayi sthayinyam adyayam. And adya dvitri kshana means adya dvitra kshana, not dvitri. Dvitra kshana iti eva yuktam pathitum. So the reading should be, you don't have to change anything. Adya dvitra kshana. There is a sutra, bahuvrihau sankhye. Daja bahuganat. There is Dutch. But number is 5473. Bahuvrihau sankhye daja bahuganat. So other than Bahu and Gana Shabda as Uttarapada, in this Bahuvrihi Samasa, Dutch Pratyaya comes. They have given Drashtanta like Dvau va trayah va iti dvi and three. But Dutch Pratyaya comes, it will become Dvitraha. It will not be Dvitri. It will be Dvitra, Dvitraha. आत्मधि संततौ व्यभिचारात् इति परिहरति। न आद्यन्तयोः अविशेषात्। बिटवीन आद्य एंड अंत देयर इज नो विशेष। पूर्वस्मिन् प्रत्यये न अविद्या निवर्तकत्वम् अन्त्ये तु तथा इति उक्ते तस्य अन्त्यत्वात् तथात्वं चेत् दृष्टान्त अभावः। पूर्वस्मिन् प्रत्यये न अविद्या निवर्तकत्वम्। फर्स्ट प्रत्यय डज नॉट रिमूव अविद्या। पूर्वस्मिन् प्रत्यये न अविद्या निवर्तकत्वम्। अन्त्ये तु तथा। अंत्य प्रत्यय विल रिमूव अविद्या। इति उक्ते when such thing is said, why tasya antyatvat, because it is the last one, that's why tathatvam ched drashtanta bhava. There is no drashtanta for this. This was already said. आत्म विषयत्वात् तथात्वे प्रथम प्रत्यय व्यभिचारः स्यात् इति उक्तौ दोषौ. And if it is atma vishayatva, just because it is atma vishayatva, so then prathama pratyay also has atma vishayatva. Prathama pratyay itself should remove avidya. Why antyah? So atma vishayatva tathatve prathama pratyay व्यभिचारः स्यात् इति उक्तौ दोषौ. आद्या संततिर न अविद्या ध्वंसिनी. Somebody says आद्या संतति ही न अविद्या ध्वंसिनी, अंत्या तु तथा. Earlier continuous thoughts will not remove ajnanam. After some time, then when continuous thoughts come, that will remove ajnanam. It is like, some bulbs, tube lights, you turn on and switch is turned on, but the light has not started coming. And then you do some other thing and suddenly light comes. Or some lights, they are dim in the beginning and then they will glow. Here it is not like that. अंत्या तु तथा इति अंगीकारे अपि विशेष अभावात् अंत्यत्वात् तस्याः निवर्तकत्वे दृष्टान्त अभावः. In this also there is no drishtanta that just because it is antya, antyatvat tasyaha nivartakatve, antyatvat avidyayaha nivartakatve drishtanta abhava. Atma vishayatvat tadbhave tu anaikantikatvam iti etao eva doshau syatam iti uktam vivranoti. Earlier itself this was said. Just because it is Atma Vishayatva and therefore tad bhave tu anaikantikatvam iti etav eva doshau syatam iti uktam vivranoti. प्रथमा विद्या प्रत्यय संततिर मरण कालांता वा. So he is explaining that प्रथमा विद्या प्रत्यय संततिर मरण कालांता वा विशेष अभावात् आद्यन्तयोः प्रत्ययोः पूर्वोक्तौ दोषौ प्रसज्येयाताम्. प्रथमा विद्या प्रत्यय संतति, the initial विद्या प्रत्यय अहम ब्रह्मास्मि, और near the end मरण कालांता वा इति विशेष अभावात्. There is no विशेष, there is no distinction. आद्यन्तयोः प्रत्ययोः पूर्वोक्तौ दोषौ, either of them पूर्वोक्त दोष, whatever doshas are said, prasajyayatam, same doshas will be there. Just because it is last one, therefore it will remove ajnanam, there is no such thing. Just because it is Atma Vishayakam, therefore also there is no guarantee. It has to be Atma Jnanam, and Jnanam will remove Ajnanam. Tika. Antya pratyasya tat santatescha avidya nivartakatva asambhave. प्रथमस्यापि रागादि अनुवृत्त्या तदयुगात् ज्ञानम अज्ञान अनिवर्तकम एव इति चोदयति। अंत्य प्रत्ययस्य तत्संततेश्च अंतिम प्रत्यय मीन्स द लास्ट वन। सी पूर्व पक्षी से लास्ट थॉट इफ यू गो दिस और संतति ऑफ लास्ट थॉट मीन्स all the way at the end, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi. About to go, at that time, whole life he didn't think about Atma. Antya pratyasya tat santadesya avidya nivartakatva asambhavat. It is not possible. Asambhave prathamasyapi ragadi anuvrittya. And in prathama pratyaya, Purvapakshi had said earlier pratyas in life or santati about Atma is not able to remove ajnana. Why? Ragadi doshas are there. That means ajnanam is not gone. Ragadi anuvrittya tadayogat. Jnanam ajnana anivartakam eva. Purva Pakshi's final conclusion is maybe jnanam does not remove ajnana. Only karma will remove ajnanam. Jnanam ajnana anivartakam eva iti chodayati. Evam tarhi anivartaka eva iti chet. That means jnanam does not remove ajnanam. No. Shruti virodhena pariharati. No. Shruti virodha will happen. Tasmat tat sarvam abhavat iti shrutehe vidyate hridaya granthihi tatra ko moha kashrokah ityadi shrutibhyascha. So the other two shrutis are clear, Mundaka and Isha. Tasmat tat sarvam abhavat Atma Jnanat, 1 number tippani. Because Atma Jnanam is there, therefore it became all. In other words, without Atma Jnanam, Parichinna Buddhi will not go. Iti Shrutehe. Somebody says now, that is Arthavada only. They just say you will become all. Tasam Arthavadattvena avivakshitatvam shankate. In reality, nothing will happen. It is only some prashansa so that you study. It is Arthavada Vakya. Avivakshitatvam. There is no vivaksha in this. Arthavada iti chet. Siddhanti says, Ati prasangena dushayati. Na. Sarva shakhopanishadam arthavadatva prasangat. If you say that is Arthavada, then all Upanishads in all Shakha will become Arthavada only. Everything is Arthavada then. And that is not right. This is Ati Prasanga. Yathokta Shrutinam Arthavadatve api katham sarva shakhopanishadam tattva prasaktirityasankyaha etavaditi. Yathokta Shrutinam Arthavadatve api. Even if these Shrutis could be Arthavada, how all Upanishads in all Shakha will become Arthavada? Because Siddhanti said this. So Purvapakshi is asking how? I am just saying 3 Vakyas are Arthavada. You are saying everything is Arthavada. See, beautiful point. Bhashyakar says, Etavan matrarthatva upakshina hi sarva shakhopanishadaha. All Upanishads of all Shakha, sarva shakhayaha upanishadaha etavan matra arthatva upakshinaha. This is the only artha where they become upakshina, means where they culminate, they conclude their teaching. So if this portion you say is Arthavada, then everything is Arthavada, because this is the final message. Final message, if it is Arthavada, then everything is gone. Etavan matrarthatvam atmajnanat tad ajnana nivrittihi iti etavan matrasya arthasya sadbhavah. Etavan matrarthatvam atmajnanat. Through Atmajnana, this is all we have to know. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi, Tatra Ko Kosha. This is what should happen. And how this will happen? Tad Ajnana Nivritti. Atmajnana Ajnana Nivritti, Ajnana Nivritya Sarvam Abhavat. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi, Shoka Moha Nivritti, etc. Etavan Matrasya Arthasya Sadbhava. This is the final thing which has Sadbhava. Then there is another Shanka which we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gurati Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.